Talk number 037. Planning for the unexpected. Traffic authorities tell us to drive defensively. They say it's not enough to follow the traffic rules. We must also watch out for other drivers. Drive in a way that, if someone else makes a mistake, you won't hit them, and they won't hit you. They are right. Accident reports prove it. They also show we must stay alert for any unexpected condition on the road. The same idea applies to daily work. And even at home. We must be ready. When a child leaves their skates on the stairs, or forgets to pick up a slippery soap in the bathroom, or someone hangs a wooden hanger on a clothesline across the room to dry laundry. Now imagine entering that room in the dark, trying to change a burnt-out light bulb. You could hit the hanger and injure your eye. It's not enough to know and follow safety rules. We must be prepared for the unexpected. Some dangers come without warning. Others come from someone else's mistake. Sometimes, even our own distracted actions. Here's an example. A mechanic was walking to the repair shop. He stopped to chat with a machine operator. Meanwhile, a forklift driver was carrying a barrel. Suddenly, a worker appeared in front of him. The driver had to brake hard. The barrel slipped. It rolled off the forks and hit the mechanic. The mechanic fell. He hit his head on the machine. The result? A facial wound, a broken rib, and a hurt leg. 3 things went wrong. The barrel wasn't secured to the forks. The worker who walked into the aisle was thinking about his vacation. And the mechanic didn't stay off the aisle in a safe spot. None of them acted defensively against the unexpected. In any job, unexpected situations can happen. A common one? Extension cords across walkways. You trip and fall. 2 people may get hurt. Someone forgets the rule, leaves a cord in a dangerous spot. The next person walks by and falls flat. The tool or light connected to the cord can jerk suddenly and injure the user. If it's a saw or a drill, we all know the risk. Even if the cord is tied to avoid movement, that same cord becomes a trap. Supervisors note, ask the team to share examples of injuries that could have been prevented by defensive actions. This will reinforce the idea of protecting ourselves from the unexpected.